Vilas Rao, an electric motor mechanic, presents tutorial on how to repair an electric motor of sublimation machine. After cutting the insulation paper, they are inserted in the slots of the stator. Insulation paper is necessary for avoiding direct contact between winding wire and the stator. This is one of the simple techniques to recreate the exact winding pattern and number of coils. While recreating winding coils, one should follow the original winding pattern for better performance of the motor. This is a professional content of our work. You may pause this video and read it in detail. There is a question why we rewind the electric motor. The answer is very simple, because it costs many times less than new one. Filling the stator with rewinding coils is a skill job. In this video, you may see the gauge of the wire is very thin. Because of that, with a great care, insert each coil one by one to fill the stator. The stator is filled with all rewinding coils. Now time comes to tie all the coils together and give them proper shape. Insert the end turns of the coils in the sleeve and remove the insulation from this end to get continuity test. Continuity test is must. It shows that all the coils inserted in the stator are safe. After this test is tested OK, connect the end terminals to make connection. Now, rewinding coils are ready to apply varnish and let it dry for some time. Eventually we reach out at the end step that is to reassemble the motor. Putting rotor in the stator, attach cover on the stator, close it with second cover. And screw them together. The result is in front of you. Here you can see and listen to the sound of the motor. It shows that the rewinding work is done successfully. This is a shop of sublimation work where I come to install the motor. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video those who need it. Never forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.